If you're not sure which gym machines you should be using to get rid of that belly fat, watch this video to the end and I'm going to show you 3 machines you should be focusing on to twitch that fat. Let's go. So I use these workouts with hundreds of clients. This is proven. If you improve your nutrition and actually do these workouts consistently, you will see a result within your midsection, probably within a month. So make sure you actually do them. And if you enjoy them, make sure you comment below so I can know which one you like best. Let's go. So it doesn't matter what gym you're at, you are going to have access to a cable machine probably 99% of the time. So when you're doing these exercises, remember to focus on the core. So don't just do the exercises, try to really focus and engage on the core. When I'm doing the oblique twist and the cable twist and I'm doing it low, middle, high, I'm actually not just pulling with my arms, I'm keeping my arms out and I'm keeping it controlled. I'm actually focusing on my core. So I'm not pulling, I'm more like twisting and then just keeping my arms out. So my arms are not doing the work, my core is doing the work, and you kind of got to over exaggerate what you're doing to actually feel it in your core. So do all 3 different variations, and for the cable crunch, the same thing. You want to focus on your core. Don't just pull down really hard and trying to just do it really fast. It's not what you're doing, it's how you're doing. So you could have 2 people doing the same workout, but they're not seeing the results equally because they're not doing it the same ways. So just keep that in mind when you're actually doing these workouts. Make sure you're actually controlling it and focusing on your core. So you need to think about which muscle you're actually using and target that. Let's get into the next one. So most gyms, most commercial gyms are going to have this machine right here where you could do back extensions. So if you're looking at this, you might be like thinking to yourself, why am I doing back extensions? Why is he showing me this particular workout? I want to work out my core. I want to get this belly fat down. I don't want to work out my backside. It's not that important, but all of it is together. So your core is not just your front side, it is your back as well. And once you tighten this up, it's going to make everything look better and look tighter. So make sure you do these, and it's also going to help you prevent injury as well. So do the back extensions. They're going to help tighten that up. It's going to give you that V look that you want to have. And also when you're doing the oblique twist right here, you're going to help tighten these sides up right here too. So I recommend doing at least 3 sets, at least 20 on each side. So if you want to do 20 in the front, 20 on one side, 20 on the other side, but if you're just starting out, it might be a little bit rough. Start with 10 and then just build your way up. So that one right there was probably one of the toughest ones out of the last 3, but I believe everyone can actually do this. Just take your time. But these leg lifts, these leg raises right here are going to kill your abs. And I'm telling you, you will see a difference if you actually do them. The biggest tip that I can give you on these is don't rush through it. Even if you only could do like 10 of them, I'd rather you do a 10 slow and controlled rather than just swinging yourself back and forth. I guarantee you, if you do these exercises, you definitely will see a difference, but make sure it's not what you're doing, it's how you're doing. So just focus on that controlled movement, and on the portion where you're going down, when you bring your legs down or you bring your knees down, focus on your core and just take your time. All right, that's it, y'all. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope it was super helpful. Don't just watch the video. Actually go to the gym and actually try them out. I guarantee if you do them, you put in the work, and you also improve your nutrition, you will see results. I've been doing this for a long time, so it is proven. I've been doing it with clients over and over and over again. It is a proven process. Make sure you do it. Focus on the actual movements. But if you are somebody who's like stuck and you're frustrated and you're like, man, I've been on this cycle, I've been trying all these different things, I'm not really seeing results, I need like a proven step-by-step process that's going to help me get there, I'll put a link in the description. We can schedule a call and I set aside some time. We can really break down where the gaps are, and if you're a good fit, you can apply for the program and we can go from there. Thanks for checking out the channel, and make sure you check out this video next. Peace.